What if I told you that your HVAC system could actually make life easier, not just for you, but for your pets too? Pets bring so much love and happiness into our homes, but they also bring fur, dander, and sometimes odors that can affect the air quality inside. What many pet owners stand to realize is that your HVAC system is not just about temperature control, it is also about creating a healthier environment for your four-legged family members. Let's dive into some simple but powerful HVAC hacks every pet owner should know. The first hack is upgrading your air filters. Standard filters might be okay for a household without pets, but with furry companions, you really want something that captures smaller particles. Pet dander and hair can easily slip through basic filters, and once it circulates through your system, it affects both your HVAC efficiency and your indoor air quality. A high MERV filter, or even better, a HEPA filter, will do a much better job. Imagine it like giving your system a stronger defense shield blocking allergens. Before they can spread around your home, your pets will breathe easier, and so will you. Now let's talk about airflow comfort zones. Every pet has their favorite spot in the house. Maybe your dog loves curling up near the window, or your cat has claimed that one sunny corner. By adjusting your vents strategically, you can actually create a comfort zone for them. For example, if a room feels stuffy or cooler than the rest of the house, you can balance the airflow by partially closing vents in other areas. This small adjustment makes sure your pets are never too hot or too cold. Think about it, Tiff. We adjust our environment for comfort. Why not for them too? The third hack is checking your filters more often. Most homeowners are told to change filters every 90 days. But let's be real, pets shed every day, and that hair gets pulled right into your system. With one pet, you should be checking your filter at least every 45 days. With multiple pets, every 30 days is even better. A clogged filter restricts airflow, making your system work harder. And that not only shortens the life of your HVAC, but also keeps dust, dander, and odors circulating. Replacing a filter takes less than 5 minutes. But the benefits for your pet's comfort and health last for weeks. Here's a fourth hack that makes a huge difference. Pair your HVAC with an air purifier. While the HVAC filter does a lot, an air purifier adds another layer of protection. These devices can trap particles as small as bacteria and reduce odors that pets often bring. If you've ever walked into your home after being away and noticed that pet smell, an air purifier can really help minimize that. It also reduces allergens, which is a game changer for people and pets who suffer from allergies. Hack number 5. Make grooming part of your HVAC strategy. I know this one sounds surprising, but regular grooming is actually connected to your system's performance. The less your pets shed around the house, the less hair and dander ends up clogging your filter and ducts. Bathing and brushing your pets consistently not only keeps them healthier, but it reduces the workload on your HVAC system. Think of grooming as the first step in air quality control. Another overlooked hack is duct cleaning. Over time, pet hair and dander collect inside your air ducts, and when your system kicks on, it blows that right back into your home. Having your ducts professionally cleaned every couple of years can make a huge difference. Not only will it improve airflow, but it also reduces the amount of allergens floating around. This is especially important if you've got multiple pets or breeds that shed heavily. And finally, professional HVAC maintenance. This one ties all the other hacks together. During a tune-up, a technician will clean the coils, check the blower motor, and make sure there's no buildup of pet hair in sensitive areas. They'll also ensure your system is running efficiently, which saves energy and money in the long run. Think of it like taking your car in for an oil change. You wouldn't skip that, right? Well, your HVAC system needs the same care, especially in a pet household. So let's recap. Upgrade your filters. Create comfort zones for your pets. Change those filters more often. Add an air purifier. Keep up with grooming, clean your ducts, and schedule regular maintenance. These hacks aren't complicated, but together they can transform your indoor environment. Your pets will feel more comfortable, your home will smell fresher, and your HVAC system will last longer. At the end of the day, our pets are family. Just like we want the best air quality and comfort for ourselves, they deserve the same. Try out these HVAC hacks and see how much of a difference they make for your four-legged companions. And if you ever need professional help with your HVAC system, we're just one call away. Our phone number is in the description below. Reach out today and let us make your home more comfortable for you and your pets.